guys. So Asha's boutique kore pudhiya 3-piece sets vannittund and I'm very excited to show it to you because each one is better than the other. So namukku pettannella nokkam. So idana nammude aadiyathe set. It's a pure cotton with a slit on the side. V-neck aanu, embroidery undu and you can see this is the V-neck. And idu nammude pant material and it comes with a beautiful shawl. Namukku formal wear aayittu idam allengil office wear aayittu idam anganulla oru kurtiyana. The next one, this is a pink flower design. This is a slit. It's like a beautiful long anarkali type. And this is a beautiful shawl. Full flower design. Shawl. And this is a V-neck. So you can see this is the V-neck. And this is the pant. And it's very beautiful. This is also in cotton. This is a rayon set. And this is a variety because it has a tying thing in the front. Namalde front il ingane kettidam pattum and so it will be like nammala waist nalla snatch ayi nikkana pole undavu and it's also V-neck. The embroidery alla lace work okke aayittulla oru V-neck aanu and oru like comes with a pant and a beautiful shawl. So this also does not have a slit. Oh, it has a tying thing at the back as well. So yeah, it will be like more of a dress. So beautiful dress pole idan pattuna oru type aanu. Ningal kore aalkare Pakistani suit lovers aanennu ariyam and especially since Ramadan and Eid is approaching, idu nammalde Pakistani suit lovers nu vendittulladaanu. It's a beautiful yellow and pink Pakistani suit with a bit of sequins and stonework. Nalloru beautiful V-neck aanu varunathu and it has oru zigzag line pant. Idinte adhe colors nu match aayittulla zigzag line aayittulladu and it comes with a beautiful shawl. This is also in cotton.